everyone. Good evening. This is Flora from Ivan Comtech.
Hello everyone, this is Ify. Nice to meet you here.
We are so happy to see you here today, and you are warmly welcome to Ivan Comtech Lunch Show.
Yeah, welcome to here. Our company, Shanghai Ivan, we are the most professional pharmaceutical equipment manufacturer, and we are the experienced pharmaceutical turnkey project provider. For our turnkey solution, it not only includes the filling line, also included the clean room, pharmaceutical water treatment, solution preparation, sterilizer, packing line, pipeline system, lab test instrument, and also included the utilities such as the air compressor, boiler system.
Yeah, we have already got 20 projects from A to Z for pharmaceutical plants in different countries. These projects mainly for IV solution in bags and also in bottles. We also have injectable vials, ampoules, tablets, and capsules. So to work with Ivan for the turnkey projects, you only need to have your building construction ready. All the rest in the production workshop, we can supply you workshop service. In addition, we have a very professional engineering and after-sales team. Most of our engineers, they have more than 15 years or even more than 10 to 20 years experience in pharmaceutical factory. So our profession and quality will help you get GMP or FDA certificate very easily. To work with Ivan means work with reliability. We can help you succeed in the shortest time.
Yes. So today we will focus on our injectable vial production line. I hope through our introduction, you will know more about Ivan quality machine. For the automatic vial filling line is included 4 machines: ultrasonic washing machine, sterilizing and drying panel, filling and storing machine, and also the packing machine.
So Evelyn, I guess many customers they want to know what size Ivan going to do.
Yeah, for the vial filling line is applied for the vial size from 2 ml till to the 30 ml. So for customer, you only need to change the specification part and realize the different size vial common production in same line.
So how about the production capacity?
Yeah, for Ivan machine, we have very widely range for the production capacity for your selection. Such as we have very small solution, small production capacity, such as for the 50 to the 100 bottles per minute. And also we have high production capacity, such as for the 300, 400, 500 bottles per minute, according to your real demand.
And it's really wide range for the customer to choose. And also especially for our overseas customers, most of the countries have less population. So I'm pretty sure the small capacity will be very popular.
Yes.
So also which kind of products Ivan filling line can produce?
Yeah, for our vial filling line, we can use to fill the common liquid and powder. We can also use to filling the lyophilizer product, vaccine, oncology, this kind of products. We already sold a lot of our line to international markets, such as in Turkey, in South Korea, in Thailand, Vietnam, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan. Yeah, even USA customer choose our filling line.
Good. If you even search USA, I'm pretty sure they have very high requirement on machine quality.
Yeah, for our least USA customer, they really have very critical quality requirements. But after indeed a long-term technical exchange with our engineer, after investigation about our line performance, finally they choose Ivan as their reliable, effective vial filling line partner in China.
Ivan is doing brilliant job. Congratulations.
Yes. So let us already finish a brief general idea about Ivan. So let us go one by one introduction for our machine.
Yeah. So now let's introduce you the first machine for our high production line. This is our ultrasonic washing machine to wash the pharmaceutical vials or ampoules. Here we have the mesh belt. We can convey the empty vial to this pre-washing station. The pre-washing station we use ultrasonic and water together. After pre-washing, the vial or ampoules will be conveyed through the odor in sequence orderly, and then to the lifting device. Here we all have special material to make sure the broken rate is with the limitation, the minimum limitation. After that, the lifting device will turn the ampoule or vial mouth down and ready to go to the main washing station.
Yeah, Flora, I think many customers they have question about how our washing machine to ensure after washing the cleanness of the wire and ampoule.
That's a good question. Actually, for our washing station, we have 3 times water washing and 4 times air washing to clean the ampoule of also 3 times the air washing. You can see spray needles. We have different groups. First, we will use water to wash both the inside and the outside of the vials. After that, it will go to the air compressor cleaning. Again, then we will have the second circulation water to push in, washing the inside and the outside of the vial. After that, we will have the air compressor load the bottles again. Then we have the injection water to clean the inside of the vial. Finally, we have another 2 stations with air, clean air to clean both the inside and the outside of the vial. All this, we have totally 7 groups of spray needles to clean the vials. In addition, for all our clean media, no matter for circulation water, injection water, or air compressor, we are all equipped with terminal filter. You can see here, it's the USA Power Filter to clean and make sure our clean media is clean enough.
Yeah, I think after this complete wash, the wire will be very clean.
Yeah.
So since the WFI also very expensive, how is our design to reduce the WFI consumption?
Yeah, for injection water, as it will use a lot of injection water, our machine has the design of the degrade of the injection water, and then it will be recycled used to wash the bottles as circulation water. What's more, we have for the injection water and the clean air compressor, they will working and spray respectively. So it also can further reduce the consumption of both the injection water and the clean compressed air.
Yeah, I see for our washing machine, there are so many mechanical design. There are so many manipulators. I see this wire up and down, up and down. How is the machine wire broken rate? How is the maintenance? Is easier?
Yeah, it's quite easy. Why? Because for our machine, we are using full servo driven. That means all the needles, the action, they are running very stably and very accurately. And also our manipulator, they have the design of double open system. So the vial or the ampoule can be clamped accurately. Even when the needle is inserted into the ampoule or vial inside, this is also driven by servo motor to give more accurate positioning. This also can avoid the mismatch of the needle or the needle to be destroyed or the ampoule or vial to be broken. All this can control our broken rate. Even for the ampoule, which is very easy to get broken, we can control the rate within 0.1%.
Oh, it's very less broken rate, very less.
Yeah. What's more, for our machine, we have very nice human-oriented design. So you can see this protection cover. Normally, maybe for other company, you need to move it manually for the future maintenance. But for our company, here We only need to press the button, and then this cover will be automatically lifted up or lifted down. So it will be very easy for your future if you want to do any maintenance or you want to change any spare parts or like this. Also, for the PLC system, we have 3 levels of passwords, so it can keep the safe operation among different operation levels. We all use the USB for PLC and touch screen. But also, if you want to use Siemens, we also can equip and supply you. Finally, for our vial washing machine, we have the linear outputting system, so it can further reduce the dead angle of the machine running, and also it can further reduce the broken rate of the finished ampoule or vial washing. We also have the discount automatic counting system to calculate how many vials are already washed. So this is some brief introduction about our ultrasonic washing machine.
Yeah, I think for our machine, from the beginning design concept, we are always concerned about customer concern. We are always stand on customer side to design our machine for convenience operation in customer.
Sure. So Evelyn, can you please give us more introduction about our sterilizing and design machine?
Yes. This is our laminar flow sterilization tunnel. It's used for wash the vial, dry sterilization, and remove the paragen. This machine is included 3 working areas. The first one is preheating area. The second one is the high temperature heating area. The third area is the cooling area. The highest temperature for our sterilization tunnel can reach to 320 to 350 degrees. The efficiency sterilization time is around 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah. And also for our machine, the complete drying and sterilization process is operated under real-time monitoring, always the Class A laminar airflow protection. What's more, for our machine, you can adjust the speed by change the motor speed and rotation the speed of the mesh belt. Yeah.
So for the mesh belt, because it's very long mesh belt and lots of wires on the side, how can you make sure the cleanness of the mesh belt?
Yeah, for our drying machine, we have designed ultrasonic belt washing device. So it can realize the ultrasonic automatic clean mesh belt. So it can solve the mesh belt cleaning problem, especially for the back side of mesh belt cleaning.
This is can further rest assured about the customer concern. And also, if I saw, is it used the condition?
This is our vision window. You can see we have already enlarged. This observation window is in our preheating area and also in our cooling area. We also equip with the observed light so that during machine running, you can see very clearly the inside condition of wire.
And I can see lots of wires inside. And how about if the wire gets broken because it's lots of movement inside? What shall we do for the broken glass?
Yeah, for our machine, for high temperature and also the cooling area, we have equipped with a drawer. This drawer can be stretched out so that inside the glass residue you can be removed easily. And also for our drying machine, we have equipped with automatic adjust the input air by the high efficiency filter resistance to realize the very perfect operation condition. Besides of this, we also set the high temperature protection in high efficient filter. So when the temperature is higher than the setting for our machine, we can realize automatic cut off the heater power to protect the filter.
And also, as you mentioned, there are three zones for the preheating and high temperature sterilizing, and also cooling zone. How do you make sure the airflow will not flow from one zone to another to make sure the air pressure inside?
Yeah, for the air pressure, if it's disordered, it's very a big problem. So for our machine, we have air pressure automatic balancing system. So when the environment air pressure is changed, the air pressure in our each zone, it can automatically balance according to the change of environment air pressure.
I understand. Now I understand.
So we just have a general idea about the driving tunnel. Let us move to the key machine of our wire feeding line, feeding and storing machine.
Yeah. Now, please follow us. Actually, I'm very fond of introducing you this machine. It's the key machine of the wire feeding line, and also it's the heart. For our wire feeding and the storing machine, we have very nice design here for the feeding of wires. The wires can be moved smoothly and quickly. Also, our machine, very important point is our feeding and storing machine is also driven by full stop motor. That means no matter for wire conveying or for the wire feeding or storing, the full process is driven by stop motor, which will give you more accurate and more stable running. After filling, we will have the tracing system. So when during filling process, the liner is keep on running as well. It can also reduce our production capacity. Also for the storing, we have the semi storing and also fully storing for different products. After, if for the unqualified if for the unqualified buyers, it will be rejected automatically through our unqualified channel. And for the qualified products, it will go through the outputting channel and go to the capping station.
Yeah, so Flora, how about our machine feeding accuracy, and how about which kind of feeding pump we are using? I think most of the customers, they are very concerned about this.
Yeah, this is absolutely important. For our feeding line, we are using 7
Realize online waiting system.
Yeah, you have a very good question. For our machine, we actually have two options for online weighing system. If the customer requires a very high technology, we have 100% online weighing system. That means all the wires that will be weighed before or after filling. For the unqualified, it will be rejected automatically. But if customers they're concerned about the high cost or they don't need so high technology, we have another option ready. We call it sampling weighing system. We only take about 1% of wires and then to weigh it before and after filling. So it can suit different requirements.
Yeah, and also for this kind of effective feeding, the environment control is so important. So because we want more operators contact with the plant, but
We can see here for our machine, the feeding line and the stopping line were already equipped with air fluid. We also have the protection gloves. Here, during the normal operation, we will have the gloves here. So the operator only need to make the operations with protection gloves. If you want to produce vaccine or they have some poison or inside, then we may change this we call it the old drops. We may change the old drops to those drops or even higher standard like isolator. This can make the isolation from the products and with the operator to keep the safe operation of our operators.
Yes, all right. As you have mentioned for the semi-stoppering and also the full stoppering, what is the difference?
I show you. Here you can see in my hand, I have two types of stopper. This is for the common injection vial, and this is the biggest stopper. Actually, it's used for lyophilized products. If you just produce the common injectable vial, or we just use our machine to make the fully stoppering, and then it will go to the heavy station. But if you want to make lyophilized products, our machine will just make semi-stoppering, and it will give some gas to these vials will be conveyed to the freezing dryer, and the freezing dryer will take the vapor inside and then make the fully stoppering in the freezing dryer. So this is also different products.
Yeah, very good. So I see there are different kinds of rubber stopper. As a professional company project provider, do you have any suggestion for customer which kind of rubber they want to buy? You need in-house cleaning or not?
Normally for bio products, the manufacturer already make the cleaning before sale. So if the customer wants to produce the vial, then with the terminal sterilization, they just buy the common stopper or cap. But if they want to produce the aseptic products, then we suggest you to buy additional stopper or cap washing machine in your factory to make sure the cleanness of all the raw material before filling. Did this answer your question?
Yeah, you have fully knowledge about experimentation about the filling machine.
Please don't forget that we do 20 projects, so we have full experience for whatever your question in the pharmaceutical factory, you can come to us.
Yeah.
So evening, so you can introduce us more for the company machine.
Yeah.
Okay, so please call us.
Yeah, this is our wire cutting machine. You can see for the touch screen or use the AB brand. And also this cutting machine is under laminate air flow protection. It can realize the continuously feeding for the cap and for the wires, and taking up and cleaning, and also at the same time loading the cap. After completion, you can see all the sides of the wire are all the same, and it's very smoothly and also very good appearance. And also for our cutting head, the material we use special alloy processing. It can increase the abrasion resistance. For our cutting machine, it's very high speed and also very less worker rate. We can realize 0.01%. Oh, it's very good. Yeah. And for our cutting machine, we have automatic counting the output system. Even when you set in the output in advance, when our machine reach your setting output, it will automatically keep and stop the machine. All the parameters is will displayed on our touch screen.
So, because there are lots of cutting stations here, I wonder if there are any unqualified taps. So what shall we do?
Yeah, for our cutting machine, we have consist of qualified and unqualified photo outfeeding channel. When the identified unqualified photo give the signal to the PLC, the vacuum suction plate it will open and suck the unqualified photo and convey to the unqualified bottle outfeeding channel. For the qualified bottle, it will continuously convey to the qualified bottle outfeeding channel. Yes. So, yeah. For unqualified, and this is for qualified.
And I also have a concern because during the operation for the test, it's mainly use the aluminium or plastic. So during packing, definitely it will generate lots of aluminium dust or the plastic particles. How should we make sure the cleanness in this machine inside during packing?
Yeah, it's for our machine. We have aluminum dust collecting device. So it has a negative pressure suction structure in our cutting machine. It's very for remove the aluminum dust. In our full machine, we are fully covered in a negative suction structure during this cutting area. So it can remove the aluminum dust automatically to ensure this cutting area is under laminar flow protection.
Yeah, that's very good. So usually item machine is designed based on customer's concern and the customer requirements.
Yes.
Okay. So now you already have a general idea about how item fire line moving, and I'm pretty sure you are now concerning about the documentation, because documentation is also very important part for the machine. I can tell you to work with the item because we already done so many turnkey projects and we already export hundreds of equipment to more than 50 countries. We have fully experience in documentation, no matter for the which fully include the IQ, OQ, PQ, DQ, FAT file, and ACT file, also the installation manual, operation manual, and the maintenance manual. Even for the PIP drawing and the spare parts list, we can give you full range of documentation. This can help you get a GMP or FDA certificate easily.
Yeah, what's more, for our item wire feeding line, a key component, we all choose the international brand. You can see for the touch screen, for the PLC, for the thermal motor, we all choose USA AB brand. If also you want Siemens, we can also change for you. For our lift feeding line, we choose the ceramic pump. If you want other which type of metering pump or ceramic pump, we also choose the very best brand was the metal. Yeah. For the high efficiency filter, we choose the Germany Confield brand. For the circulation water pump, we choose the Grandford brand. Also for the transmission pressure gauge, we choose the USA Gerway brand. So all of our list food configuration can ensure our machine very good quality, high performance, and very long-term reliable running for years.
Exactly. I can see for Ivan machine, we are really using the top brand, the top international brand. So no matter the customer wants to buy any spare parts, they can find locally.
Yeah.
Very easily. So,
Yes.
I think that today we already have a rough idea about our machine. Now let's invite our engineer, Mr. Yan, to run the machine for us so we can see more clearly about the extra machine running. Please follow us.
We will start from our washing machine.
First, from the washing machine.
Yeah.
next is the end. You can see for our machine running, you see very less noisy, very easily to running the machine. So you are no worry about very complicated on our machine. Thank you for your time joining our Ivan Lab show. We are thank you a lot for your time. Appreciated a lot for your concern. If you have any inquiry, if you have any interest in Ivan machine, please contact with us.
Yeah, last but not least, please, we want to let you know that now we are still in the special discount season. So this is the last week. Please catch the chance. From early August till now, already sold several customers bought the